guys! We're at Ellie's Kuko. Ayan. So I got an appointment today and it would be for nails, as you can see. Grabe na yung kuko ko, guys. Para na siyang like nangat-ngat and everything. So yan, magpapanails ako, lashes, and petty. Yeah. So I'm going to treat myself for today because it's been a while and I deserve this one. So hi po! Ayaw ma-feature. Iba-blurred kita. Kit-kit mo naman, bebe. So, it's pet-friendly, guys. Kaya nandito yung mga cute kitty. Kaya meron din silang tag. Her name is Ellie. Just like the studio name. It's Ellie's Kuko. Look at this cute cat. So this will be my first time to travel this far. Taray, travel this far. Pero dyan lang naman ako sa malapit. Pero kasi yun nga, share ko lang na usually kasi nagpapa-home service lang talaga ako and hindi talaga ako nadayo. Pero ngayon, parang I deserve this. Char. This is Miss Leia. So she is the owner of Ellie's Kuko. So ayan guys ha, open palagi sila for collab. Kaya if naghahanap talaga kayo ng place na gusto nyo talaga na maayos yung nails nyo, lashes, and everything, lahat ng kaartehan nyo, go to Ellie's. Very much recommended. And ayan yung owner, masasabi ko talaga sa inyo. Napakabait. Oh, nalagay! This is my nail tech, guys. Oh, this is Ashley. So, mag-aayos ng nails natin later. And this is me. Next natin is our lashes. We need to get our lashes done. Kita nyo naman, 50-50 na yung lashes ko. Gagawa ni ate ng way. Ayan guys, we're done. We got our lashes done. Here it. Ayan, as you can see, my lashes. And got my nails. And the ped. And thank you din po kay ate for my pedi. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa lashes. May ginagawa kasi si ate, super busy siya. Ayan, si ate nag-lashes sa akin. Super ganda ng lashes ko guys. As in, like, wispy siya. Iba yung atake ko ngayon. Then, thank you so much, Ellie's Kuko. Talagang babalik-balikan ko kayo dito. Kayo na yung aking go-to nail studio and lashes, of course. Thank you. Bye-bye. Gusto ko yung nagbabay na siya agad. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye.